Alert at the Northwest Miami-Dade trail station where there has been a derailment and it appears maybe even a crash. 7 Stephen J. Gray is live above the scene. Stephen, what can you tell us?
Good morning, Lorena. Good morning, Ethan. Yeah, we've got trouble on the tracks here. Now, before we go off on this here, I need to tell you this is in the train yard, Florida East Coast Railway, Hialeah Yard, 7500 Northwest 69th Avenue. So there probably weren't passengers on board these Metrorail trains, but there probably was an operator, and we hope he or she is okay. Now, we're looking at the situation here. This is a derailment and actually a train wreck where these trains hit each other here. You can see substantial damage to the front end of this one train. We've got the experts here with the railway looking into the situation. What we think, just analyzing it from 500 feet here, is there's a switch over here that changes the tracks as far as the trains are concerned. And it looks like this one train with the 300 numbers was heading this way when and waiting for this train. When the switch while it was going over it caused the train to stay on this track, and then the train was ripped from this track onto over here. You can see all the track has been removed. Some of the power that connects to the train has been damaged. So what a mess this morning. We looked at the Metrorail site. It looks like it didn't, as far as show any delays at this time. The trains are able to leave here. And once again, we're not sure if anybody was injured. Let's hope not. But a major mess at the train yard this morning. Live from 7 Skyforce, I'm Stephen J. Gray.
And we're following developing news after two Metrorail trains collided in Northwest Miami-Dade. Sky 10 above the scene earlier today at Northwest 69th Avenue. You can see one of the trains came off the tracks and collided with the other train. Miami-Dade Department of Transportation says there was minor damage and no injuries. We've also learned that no passengers were involved and there is no impact to the Metrorail service.